In the last video, I talked about why you might not want to use separate series to put bits of data onto the chart. But of course, there are times where we do want to use separate series, particularly when we're recording bits of data that are not related to one another. So let's imagine we want to draw a scatter chart for the average height of air in our three types of bottle so that we can compare the data in three different types of bottle. So I've got my chart set up, my blank chart set up in front of me. So my usual thing, click in a blank cell, go to insert and choose a scatter graph. I always choose the scatter graph without a line, I should say. On this list of options, you can have this drop down where there are lines. These are always dot to dots, not lines of best fit. So we don't want those. We always want the one without any lines. If you do choose the wrong one, you can change the chart type later on to get rid of the dot to dot lines if you've ended up with the wrong one. So I'm going to go to select data and I'm going to add my first series. So my first series is going to be for the Coke bottle. And it's gonna, I can't spell bottle, it's gonna have X values of the times, and it's gonna have Y values of the average height of air in the bottle. That one's on, press OK. Then I'm gonna add some further series. I'm gonna add one for the wine bottle. X values again are gonna be from this column, and the Y values are going to be for the wine bottle. Okay, and I'm going to add a third series for my fabric conditioner. The X values are down here, and the Y values are in this column down here. Again, let's make this thing long. Come up, press OK. That all looks good. Press OK, and there we go. So we've got our three sets of data shown on a single graph in three different colors. It's a bit small now. One thing that Excel does quite nicely is rescale as you drag it and make it bigger. So we've got our three sets of data displayed on a single chart. Here it's suitable for them to be separate series and therefore plotted in separate colors because they are unrelated to one another. The height of air in the Coke bottle after 1 second is not gonna be related at all to the height of air in the wine bottle after 1 second. So it makes sense to do them as separate series.